Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft, Com, or the Xbox console with the account that owns Game Pass. Once signed in, navigate to Services and Subscriptions. This is where billing and cancellations live. Make sure you can access your payment method details and note the subscription tier and next charge date. That prevents surprises. If you use a family/secondary account, switch to the account that purchased the plan. Now move to the subscription entry for the actionable cancellation controls. Once you've opened the subscription page, click Manage on the Xbox Game Pass item, then choose Cancel or Turn off recurring billing. Different wording appears by platform. Follow the prompts. Microsoft will offer options like pause, switch plan, or immediate cancellation. Pick Cancel if you want no further charges. Confirm each dialog. Some prompts require re-entering your password. After confirmation, the UI shows cancellation details. Make sure you capture the confirmation screen and the effective end date for your records. Finish by checking Services and Subscriptions to ensure the status reads Canceled or Recurring Billing Off, and confirm you received an email stating the effective end date. If the subscription still shows active or you were billed after cancellation, contact Microsoft support immediately with your confirmation screenshot and purchase details. Make sure to mention the charge date and last 4 digits of the payment method. That speeds resolution. If problems persist, retry cancellation on the opposite platform, console versus browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.